Hey guys, so I just purchased this trailer. It's my first time installing a hitch. As you guys can see, this is a 1995 Ford F-150 Eddie Bauer. I guess mine was equipped with a factory tow package. This is how it would look like. As you guys can see, I had to install a hitch receiver right here. This used to be here with a nut, but after drilling these holes here, I was left with this, and I didn't know really where to put it, so I did like a makeshift little attachment here. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys a little something that I came up with. So right here in the license plate, I'll show you. You guys will see that I drilled a hole. There you go. It's right there, right underneath the license plate. You're gonna find two holes, 1, 2, and this receiver was able to fit there perfectly. I'll show you guys right now. There you go. There you go. You see, you're gonna have this little thing right here, kind of poking up, and you're gonna drill through the rubber little step on the rear bumper. I used let me see, I'll tell you guys exactly which one I used. This is a 3/8 bit. As you guys can see, it goes right through. I'll show you guys. Sorry for the movement, but there you go. And had some leftover screws just from, random projects. I think I even found some on a tool chest that I found. As you guys can see, I'm gonna put this through the hole over here. Now we have a screw and a nut that will, let me see if I could get this for you guys. Try and see. Hopefully you guys are able to see what I'm doing here. There you have it. There you go. Super easy solution. If your truck was equipped with the towing package, at least that's what I believe. I mean, you guys could correct me if I'm wrong. It looks like it, at least. This is how I purchased the truck, so I'm just assuming and thinking that I do. It did come with that 2-inch ball up there, as you guys can see. And yeah, I mean, now I could get rid of these unnecessary things, and I will be able to put this adapter that I got at Harbor Freights right here to my trailer. As you guys can see, I'm gonna tighten up that bolt and put some Loctite. Just doing this to show you guys. There you go. Beautiful. Looks literally like it was supposed to be meant to be put there on purpose. But yeah, hopefully this helps you guys. Sorry for the voice, a little bit under the weather here. It's winter in California and there's all kinds of shit going on. Excuse my language. So yeah, I'm gonna put some Loctite on that So you guys can see I have it there. I'm gonna unscrew it, but just wanted to show you guys how it will look from the back. There you have it. This is, just in case anyone's wondering, this is a curt receiver. You guys can see it there. Let me go around and I'll show you guys exactly what model of receiver this is. There you go. It's 13310. There you have it. It's my 95 right here. Take away that's my 92 over there for my son. All right, hope this helps you guys out. Don't forget to subscribe.